Hello everyone. Today we start again with Baris Baktas, but through a different angle, comparison culture. One of the most consistent patterns in fan discussions is the tendency to compare consistency with newer shows from the same production environment, particularly when similar scenes appear. Viewers frequently argue that while newer dramas attempt to replicate the formula, they fail to recreate the same emotional impact, and Baris's performance is often cited as the missing element. At the same time, Yagmur Yuksel becomes part of a parallel comparison, but instead of focusing on emotional intensity, fans focus on character evolution. Some viewers argue that newer female leads appear more modern or assertive, while others claim that Dylan's slower transformation made her more realistic and emotionally grounded. This creates a split audience. One group prefers immediate strength, while another values gradual growth. Returning to Baris, one specific point that appears repeatedly is the use of silence in his acting. Fans highlight how many key scenes relied not on dialogue, but on controlled facial expression, eye movement, and physical stillness. This technique is often contrasted with newer actors who rely more heavily on explicit emotional delivery, which some viewers find less convincing. For Yagmur, the same scenes are interpreted differently. Instead of focusing on technique, discussions often center on emotional identification. Viewers debate whether her reactions feel authentic, whether her fear or loyalty is justified, and whether her choices align with the character's psychological background. This means her performance is processed through empathy rather than analysis. So what we end up with is a fascinating divide. Baris is analyzed as a technical performer, while Yagmur is analyzed as an emotional vessel. And the final question becomes unavoidable. Are audiences more impressed by controlled acting skill or more affected by emotional relatability?